Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a zipper on a hoodie. First, gather your essential tools, including a seam ripper, a new zipper, and a sewing machine. Next, carefully measure your old zipper from the top stop to the bottom stop to ensure you get the correct length for your replacement. It is crucial to select a new zipper that matches the old one in both length and type, whether it is a coil or molded plastic style. Now, let's move on to removing the old zipper. Take your seam ripper and carefully unpick all the stitches that are holding the old zipper onto your hoodie. It is important to work slowly and methodically to avoid accidentally damaging the fabric of your hoodie. Once all the stitches are gone, make sure to remove any lingering pieces of old thread from the fabric edges. With the old zipper removed, it is time to prepare the new one. Begin by aligning the new zipper's bottom stop precisely with the bottom edge of your hoodie. Carefully pin the zipper tape to the hoodie fabric, making sure it is evenly placed along both sides. Pay close attention to matching the top stops of the zipper with the hoodie's neckline or the hood seam for a perfect fit. Finally, let's sew the new zipper into place. Use a zipper foot on your sewing machine to get close to the zipper teeth. Sew 2 lines of stitching on each side of the zipper for maximum durability. One line should be very close to the teeth and the other about 1/4 inch away. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of each seam to secure your threads firmly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.